The only worst thing than being bored is being bored by Jean Baudrillard. Hi, I'm Sham Ganesh from grade 9 from Weimar Global School. Most people would have went through a time where they felt bored or can't do anything. Most people will either sleep or read a book. I'm not saying it's bad, but let me tell you a paradigm shift you can make to make your time be useful. Let me tell you how it's done. First of all, when we get bored, our brain needs to think of an idea. To this way, your brain will create an idea. This way has shown many proof that your brain increases the amount of creative ideas it can produce. So through many years, many researchers from National Institution of Health have proven that during COVID time, most people, 99% of people felt bored and didn't think to engage themselves. Some examples are like a normal person working in Samsung felt bored and thought of an idea created by thinking of making foldable phones. Now, in the current market, that's one of the trending phone styles. However, when you do something productive, it doesn't mean you're supposed to go watch something on your phone. But apart from that, many researchers like frontliners have shown that during COVID time, most people spend more time on their electronic device, which cause health issues. Some examples are like eye problems, they cannot see things normally. However, you're not always supposed to think of an idea. You can also make your time be useful, like learning a new skill, which might be useful for your future or in the present. It's always the same. When time passes, you can't go buy it again. I hope everyone would have at least heard this one time in their life. Hey guys, don't think I never went through this. In my life, it was very different. I used to always get bored, even though I'm doing some work. I thought to myself, because I thought it was very interesting, or I thought it wasn't very enthusiastic. I was clueless. After some days, I got the answer, but as luck would have it, I fell back into a deep sleep. When I found the answer, I thought to myself, how can I do this? What are the possible ways of doing this? The first idea that popped up in my mind was creating a timetable, which included my daily routines and things that I needed for my life. I thought it would be very easy, but it was a moonshot. So I tried doing small goals and going to big ones as the process goes on. And that's how I finally going according to my timetable. So overall, when you feel bored, do something productive and make your time be useful. You may face some challenges, but go through it. Don't resist from the challenge because the final result would put a smile on your face. Thank you for listening and see you next time.